Hello everyone, we are on the Verona segment of the Ice Age Trail today. It's about 64 degrees, just after 11 a.m. Central Time. Still at the Verona segment of the Ice Age Trail, coming out of a nice little oak forest up into kind of a prairie of sorts, a lot of wildflowers, purple cone flowers. It's really pretty up here. Still a great temperature, so. We are in the prairie at the Verona segment of the Ice Age Trail, right next to Redden Soccer Park. This is a great section. I mean, it's so close to Madison too. Really nice. Birds, cicadas, wildflowers, amma. This is good. Good. We've got some wildflowers here. Just want to show you all. What's up everyone? We are finishing up a portion of the Verona segment of the Ice Age Trail. Only doing a portion today. Only got one car, so had to make it work time-wise and car-wise. Great to get back out on the trail. I would give this section an 8.5. Emma?
So like a 7.
7, so we're 7.75. In terms of group rating, we are going to probably do about 2.6, 2.7 miles today, out and back. So we'll have about 5 miles left of Verona to do. So we'll probably split it up again. A lot of parking, spread out, some dispersed camping areas as well. So good spot to be. Here's the view as we are coming down.